geese.
I think I saw a geese too.
Oh.
You see it? Oh, I see it. Yeah, you see it?
It's
Oh
big.
God.
They're still alive.
There's a deer.
There's a deer where?
Yeah, there's literally a deer all the way over there. You gotta lift your camera up, and then you have to zoom in.
I see it.
Guys,
Oh my
guys,
god. What the fuck?
Oh my god, look at it.
So majestic.
The first time we saw a turkey.
It's like,
Oh, yep, it's still there.
Yep.
Making eye contact with us. The last time, we saw like turkeys in our Rivers Elementary.
yeah, when the bus comes, every single time we turn to like the left or the right, everybody goes crazy. Crazy. Wow.
Hello.
Oh wow. There's geese over there as well. Oh yeah, look.
Oh, dang.
Oh, they're babies. Look, the babies.
They look beautiful.
Oh, look. I see a little pup.
Dude, what if they come up here and attack us?
Oh. Oh wait, I think one saw it. There's like cute little babies.
Why is there a bird right there?
Oh yeah, there's a duck.
Yeah, there's 4 ducks.
Yeah, there's a brown one over here.
Oh,
wow.
Dude, yeah, 3, 4. Because one duck is standing on top of you. First we saw turkeys, and then I saw another duck at my door.
And little goose things. Aww. They're playing like little bumper cars.
Hey, don't put